mainland arrive and are immediately attacked by the marauding Japanese Zeros. In the confusion, the B-17s were fronted by friend and foe.
Has caused severe damage to American naval.
A very true statement, Rod. So we're just going to take a short intermission here. We're going to play some music from David.
Right here behind Show Center is if you stand in front of the airplane, you will notice that the engine
What's the next actor right behind him?
I don't know.
This is C-47 on the left of Show Center on the runway now.
But we'll talk about that here in just a second. On takeoff roll from the left, ladies and gentlemen, is the P-63 KingCobra.
would also be the top turret gunner. In the nose you had the bombardier. The bombardier would also be the nose turret gunner. Immediately behind him was the navigator.
Russell, and it's easy prey for any of the German fighters, especially the ME-262.
So the navigator theater with an MD-262 coming up right behind him.
Skydive. It was the same exact feeling. Very important battle that took place.
And they were flying where they thought they were. And as they were nearing their fuel termination point where they had begun to turn out.
Show Center P-63 KingCobra. Engine, liquid cooled engine. So they cut the nose off. They put the new engine on there, but they didn't have room for the radiator, which is where we get the scoop in the back. And all of a sudden, it was this amazing airplane. So they came back over to America and said, we made some modifications, what do you think? And that's how we got the P-51. It started off as an aircraft no one wanted to become the aircraft that everybody knows today.
And Russell, the initial, or you described the British put their Rolls-Royce Merlin V12 engine in it, but all the rest of the P-51s that had that type of motor in it were built right here in America.
Not a windsock, like a wind, what is this? Well, you know, as you do know, the Black Hawk helicopter does not like to be left out of the mix, Rob. So here he comes to show my tell us about that Black Hawk.
The aerial bomb. These planes dive down on the Levant. Not knowing that they were coming into a battle. One of the B-17 pilots, a Major Landon, trying to land, said, what a hell of a way to enter a war. Out of gas, unarmed, and no place to land.
In the 44 months of fighting that followed, the United States sank every one of the Japanese aircraft carriers, battleships, and cruisers that were a part of the Pearl Harbor Task Force.
That existed, but we had to produce a whole bunch more. And Russell, we're going to talk a lot about the different types of aircraft, the European theater as well as the Pacific.
You know, Rob, what I think is really interesting to remind people this day and age is back in the late 30s, early 40s, President Roosevelt was giving Japan U.S. military find a way.
Dean Hallmark was captured and executed by the Japanese. The brave Texans were inducted into the Texas Aviation Hall of Fame in 2001. All right, here comes the Texas Raider. Russell, go ahead. Would you like to talk about that awesome B-17? I know you know quite a bit about this aircraft.
Absolutely, Mike, I appreciate it. So this is a B-17. Underneath the airplane before you get to the waist gunner window on the side of the aircraft. You have the two waist gunners in the back and all the way
One, the B-17 Texas Raider.
Operator in the European Theater of Operations during World War II. He joined the Army.
Vietnam in 1969, his ship's duty was to protect the aircraft carriers, which and then the second Jeep that allowed it to begin to get far enough to escort our bombers all the way into Europe. The P-51 is the fighter aircraft that changed.
What we're going to see next, Russell, from the right, ladies and gentlemen, the crew will be simulating an arrival to a shortened airfield where hostile forces are present. This versatile tactic allows the C-17 to operate at over 6,000 more airfields worldwide than commercial wide-body aircraft. So, ladies and gentlemen, direct your attention high and to the right. C-17 on
in his first solo flight. It won't surprise you to know that Craig became a flight instructor while he was in college.